Part 5. What's unlearned?
Dapat part 5. This is the hook and jump. Ano ba?
This is a double hook and then straight.
Oh.
1, 2, boom! Power punch.
Sabon.
Tap na. Sure na. Double hook. 1, 2, boom. Okay, power. Power punch. Go. 1, 2, boom. Okay, again. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yan. Okay, double hook. 1, 2. Again, ulit. 1, 2. Taas ang guard, balik. Taas ang guard, ulit.
Yeah.
Come on. 1, 2. Ayan siya. Dapat nakaangat na yung mong elbow. So, nakalibel siya.
Okay.
In short, in English, libilado. 2, 1. Nice. Ulit. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. Again. 1, 2. Nice one. 1, 2, boom. Ulit. 1, 2, boom. One more. 1, straight. 1, 2. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. That is for the
Yung time.
5 round. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe my Sugar Mike for the Minta.